Esse drama nasceu de lembranças. E sendo assim, é iluminado por instantes. É sentimental. É sentimental por essa. É uma natureza nova. Apresenta os objetos como ciclos de fato de ciclos. Estamos todos envolvidos no mesmo jogo, onde as palavras estão como coisas e as coisas como palavras. E nessa perspectiva de ilusão de naturalidade, é quase impossível contar uma história. I'm Shelby Cobb. Want to dance?
I'm not allowed.
Oh, you poor girl. I bet he still does the polka.
Yes, let's see what sculpture.
It was as natural for Laura to pick out from among thousands of doing it.
You just woke up and it's already late. Good morning. Look at you, you'll soon be 38. You're overweight. Good morning. You just woke up and life is hard to bear. Good morning. You've tried so hard and yet you're still not there. And lost your hair. First morning of the new year. You thought all your troubles would disappear. First morning of the new year. I hate to tell you but they are still here. They are still here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Вот так. Good morning. Tell me the truth, do you recognize